Do you want to build a powerful sales funnel in WordPress without spending hundreds of dollars on complicated software? In this step-by-step video, I'll show you how to create a complete sales funnel using WordPress in 2025, and we'll use the Divi theme to make it both simple and professional. This way, you don't have to rely on expensive funnel builders or complicated coding. So if you'd like to try Divi for yourself at a great price, I've added a link in the description box below so you can grab it directly from Elegant Themes and start building your funnel today. So without wasting time, let's dive in and get started. The first thing you need to do is install WooCommerce because Cart Flows works with WooCommerce, and Cart Flows is the plugin we're going to use for our funnels. To do that, come over to Plugins, click on Add New and search for WooCommerce. Hit Enter and here it is. WooCommerce is one of the most popular plugins, installed on over 5 million websites. Go ahead and install and then activate it. Once WooCommerce is set, the next step is to install Cart Flows. Again, search for Cart Flows, install it, and activate it. Now we have both plugins ready. The next step is to create a product in WooCommerce. Head over to Products, click on Add New, and let's create a free product for this example. I'll name it Free Download. Scroll down, mark it as virtual and downloadable, set the regular price to 0, and then upload a file. For example, this could be a zipped folder with an ebook or template. I'll just use an image here as an example. Once that's set, hit Publish. Now let's make sure Divi is connected properly. Go to Divi, click on Theme Options, then Builder, and activate Steps. This ensures Cart Flows templates are compatible with Divi. Save changes. Next, head to Cart Flows, go into Settings, and choose your ready template. Make sure Divi is selected. You can also add tracking codes here for Facebook or Google Analytics if needed. Save your settings. Now we can create our sales funnel. Go to Flows, click Add New, and either build from scratch or use a template. For this demo, I'll use the Download ebook template. Click Import Flow, name it Free Download, and import. You'll now see a landing page and a thank you page. To customize, start with the landing page. Edit it and connect the WooCommerce product we created earlier by selecting Free Download under Products. Save, and now click Edit with the Divi Builder. From here, you can customize the design, update text, change colors, backgrounds, or remove dividers. For example, if you don't want a divider, just delete it. If you want to fix spacing, go to Design, Spacing, and set a negative margin to remove extra space. Save changes. The opt-in form won't show inside the builder, but when you exit and preview the live page, it will appear properly. When someone fills out the form with their name and email, they're redirected to the thank you page. Let's customize that too. Click Edit with Divi on the thank you page. Again, you can remove dividers, change text, or add a thank you video. If you want to upsell another product, you can add a section with a button leading to your checkout page. Save and exit. Now let's add another step, a checkout page. Click the plus button, choose Checkout, and import a design. Name it Checkout and import. You can now edit this checkout page with Divi like before. Delete unwanted sections, add product images or videos, and customize colors. To connect a product, go into Settings and assign it. For example, I created a course as a virtual product. Save settings, and now the product appears on the checkout page. For payments, go to WooCommerce, then Settings and then Payments, and activate PayPal or Stripe. Refresh the checkout page, and you'll see PayPal is now available. Customers can proceed through the funnel seamlessly. With Divi and Cart Flows, you can create full funnels, landing pages, checkout pages, thank you pages, and upsells, all without expensive software. ClickFunnels and Lead Pages charge high monthly fees for similar features, but Divi gives you unlimited use with a one-time or yearly license. That makes Divi a much cheaper and more flexible option. So that's how you create a complete sales funnel using Divi in WordPress. Don't forget, I've added a link in the description so you can try Divi at a great price today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.